Hi doll collectors! Today we're going to unbox the Barbie Fashionista 173. The Barbie Fashionista is typically sold for 800 pesos here in the Philippines. But if you want to save some money, I will advise that you wait for the sale because it's usually sold for 500 each time. Something that excited me about the Fashionista 173 is that it's already in the resealable packaging. The old packaging of Fashionista is something frustrating for me because it's hard to reuse. At least with this one, it's made of plastic, it's more durable, and at the same time, the zipper on the sides is also friendly. You can use this packaging not just for storage but also as a travel case for your dolls. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Just get a scissor and snip the tag at the side of the packaging. The moment that you are able to remove that, the zipper can already be open on the sides. It's fairly easy to remove the doll from the box. Just pull the entire plastic casing that it comes with so that you can easily snip off the additional plastic that ties the doll together with the box. All you have to do is to snip off those plastic holders that's mounting the head or the plastic packaging, as well as on the side. You can also cut off those elastics for easier removal. So here she is, our Barbie Fashionista 173. I really love her hair, and that face sculpt is something that I was looking forward to have. It's a carnival face sculpt. She comes with shades and a romper that looks like it's acid washed. It has a belt, and it's actually held together by a Velcro. The belt doesn't really come off from the dress, but the Velcro is there to give her some fitting or some form or shape. So this is a Fashionista. Of course, it doesn't have a lot of articulation. So you would see here that she can move her arms from side to sides, up and down. You can also move her legs from front and back, and a little bit on left and right. Limited movements. That's why I'm going to rebody this doll. I really want to put this in a made-to-move body. I found out that the perfect skin match for her as a body donor is the first wave of Barbie Made to Move Yoga, the girl with a hair bun. So if you want some techniques or advice how to properly rebody the doll, the technique that I'm using is actually the one from My Froggy Stuff. So basically, you put these dolls in a plastic bag and dip them in a hot water for a few minutes before exchanging their heads. So here you can see that they're practically of the same skin tone. It really works well together. I made a rookie mistake of not removing the accessories before heating the doll, and because of that, I broke the eyeglasses that came with 173. So please be careful when you do your rebodying. So here she is, finally rebodied. A little issue about the Fashionista doll line is that it tends to have pixelated face, especially for the more recent releases of the dolls. You can see the tiny dots on her eyebrows, her eyes, and even on her lips. Despite that, I still love my doll. I also like the white rubber shoes that 173 came with. It has interesting details on it, but I hope to color those details maybe in the next few days. That's Fashionista 173. Did you like this video? How about we follow each other at Instagram? Follow me at Barbiefashionista, and of course, subscribe in my YouTube channel, The Doll Collector PH. Thank you so much for watching.